Naraka Chaturdashi is a Hindu festival celebrated across most of India, and it is also known as Choti Diwali. It is celebrated on the second day of 5-day long Diwali festival. Diwali is a 5-day festival that begins with Dhanteras and ends with Bhai Dooj. Welcome to Neela's View. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please consider subscribing and hit bell icon for notifications. Naraka Chaturdashi is a religious festival with a deep meaning. According to Hindu literature, Narakasura, an evil demon king, he was the son of Bhuma Devi, and through penance he had acquired immense power, and unmatched in his powers, he started misusing them. He was a troublemaker to the gods and the godly sages. He was disturbing their penance and create havoc during their daily prayers and rituals. He heard that Indra had a divine elephant, and mad in his power, Narakasura attacked the kingdom of Indra to possess whatever the Devatas had, and meanwhile Indra had to flee from his kingdom. While fighting Devatas, something glittery caught his eyes. Those were the earrings of Mother Aditi, mother of Devatas. He attacked the territory of Aditi and stole those as well. Indra and other Devatas were very furious over this act and approached to Lord Krishna and pleaded him to protect them from the demon Narakasura. Aditi, who was a relative of Sri Krishna's wife Satyabhama, and approached her for help. She narrated the whole incident to Satyabhama and vexed with his harassment. Satyabhama approached Krishna for permission to wage a war against Narakasura. As promised to Devas and Mother Aditi, Krishna along with his wife Satyabhama attacked the great fortress of Narakasura. A fierce battle was fought. Narakasura sent his general Mura to fight Krishna, and in no time Mura and his army was killed. Since Lord Krishna killed Mura, he is also known as Murari. Seeing Mura killed, Narakasura hurled to the battlefield and used several divine weapons against Sri Krishna. But the latter easily countered all those weapons. During this battle, Lord Krishna acted like he was hit and fell unconscious for a while. Seeing this, Satyabhama hurled a celestial weapon towards Narakasura, and soon he was killed. Later, Lord Krishna reminded her that she is an incarnation of Bhuma Devi and Narakasura could only be killed by his mother. The killing of Narakasura was a victory of good over evil. It is interesting to note that Bhudevi, mother of Narakasura, declared that his death should not be a day of mourning but an occasion to celebrate and rejoice. To observe his death, the event is celebrated in some parts of India as Naraka Chaturdashi. Conclusion. On this day, Hindus get up earlier than usual, receive an oil massage from the eldest member of a family, spread oil over the heads of all the other family members with 3 drops of sesame oil before sunrise. Shikakai is then used to wash off this oil. This practice is believed to be as holy as taking a dip in the Ganges. Afterwards, clean clothes are worn, special pujas are performed, and a large breakfast is enjoyed with relatives and friends. The evening is celebrated with fireworks. Special sweet dishes are served as part of the midday meal. Houses are lit with oil lamps during the evening. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Do not forget to leave a comments below.